The Illusion of Journalism is an OpenAI-linked site using AI to shape public opinion. A recent investigation has pulled back the curtain on The Wire by Acutus, a news outlet that claims to practice collaborative journalism, but appears to be almost entirely driven by artificial intelligence. The findings suggest a troubling trend where AI is not just used to assist writing, but to manufacture a specific narrative under the guise of independent reporting. A ghostly editorial team since its launch in late 2025. The Wire by Acutus has published nearly 100 articles covering diverse sectors, including technology, healthcare, and science. Despite its professional appearance, the site lacks a traditional masthead. There are no named editors, no credited journalists, and no transparent list of contributors. While the site's About page describes a sophisticated process of synthesizing perspectives from human contributors into balanced stories, the data tells a different story. Journalist Tyler Johnston utilized Pangram, an AI detection tool, to analyze the site's output. The results were stark. 69% of articles were flagged as fully AI-generated. 28% were flagged as partially AI-generated. Only 3 articles were classified as having human authorship. Algorithmic bias and hidden interests beyond the technical detection of AI. The substance of the reporting raises significant red flags. The content exhibits a consistent, one-sided bias. It is overwhelmingly pro-AI development and frequently dismissive of those critical of the technology. Articles often use provocative framing, such as warning against escalating anti-AI radicalism or questioning political motivations behind AI regulation. The investigation took a more serious turn when looking at how this content is amplified. Despite having a minimal social media presence, the site receives significant engagement on X, formerly Twitter. A large portion of this engagement can be traced back to Patrick Hines, president of the PR firm Novus Public Affairs. The connection is critical. Novus Public Affairs represents Targeted Victory, the consulting firm responsible for leading OpenAI's lobbying efforts in Washington. Why this matters? The erosion of information integrity. This discovery highlights a growing concern in the digital age. The rise of astroturfing via AI. This occurs when automated or semi-automated content is used to create a false impression of widespread grassroots support or independent journalistic consensus for a specific corporate interest. This goes beyond simple misinformation. It represents a sophisticated attempt to manufacture authority, using the format of a news site to lend legitimacy to lobbying goals. Automate persuasion, using AI to churn out high volumes of biased content that is difficult for the average reader to distinguish from human reporting. Bypass transparency, hiding the corporate and political interests behind the content by utilizing anonymous, AI-driven editorial teams. If these findings are accurate, it suggests a breach of ethics where an AI-driven entity may be misrepresenting its work as independent journalism to serve specific regulatory and lobbying interests. Conclusion: the case of The Wire by Acutus serves as a warning that the line between independent news and automated corporate propaganda is blurring. As AI tools become more capable, the challenge for readers will be distinguishing genuine journalism from algorithmically generated narratives designed to sway public policy.